Good evening, sir. I'm Alexis Sony po from BS80 3J. Ito po yung number 1. How can you define a simple root in Laravel and what would be a real-life example? A simple root in Laravel defines how your application responds to different HTTP requests. The roots are typically defined in the roots web.php. A simple root in Laravel is a basic instructions that tells your application what to do when a user visits a specific URL. Number 2. How do name roots work in Laravel and how might you use them in real-world application? Name roots in Laravel are roots that have been assigned a specific name, allowing for easy referencing and management within your application. This simplifies the process of generating URLs and performing redirects, making your code cleaner and more maintainable. Number 3. What is the purpose of root groups in Laravel and how might they be used? Root groups in Laravel serve to organize and share attributes among multiple roots, avoiding repetition. They allow you to apply features like namespaces, controllers, middleware, and prefixes to group roots. Number 4. How does middleware work in Laravel and can you provide a practical example? Middleware in Laravel functions as a filter or a bridge between an incoming HTTP request. In your application, it allows you to inspect, modify, or reject requests before they reach the core logic of your application. Laravel uses middleware to provide a convenient mechanism for filtering HTTP requests. Number 5. How can you handle form submissions and CSRF protection? In Laravel, handling form submissions in the Laravel involves processing data submitted through HTML forms and taking appropriate actions. Laravel automatically generates a CSRF or a token for each active user session to protect against cross-site request forgery. Attacks this token verifies that authenticated user is the one making request to the application.